My love, when I look at you, all I can think about is how faithful and good God has been in our lives. Sometimes when I think about it, I feel like I don't even deserve all His goodness and faithfulness.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that.
Ang Lord, napaka-generous niya. Hindi nauubos yung kabutihan niya. It flows like a river. At kahit hindi ko man mabilang lahat ng blessing niya sa buhay ko, one thing is for sure, ikaw ang isa sa pinagpapasalamat ko sa kanya.
The kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing?
August 3, 2024, yung araw na nagkasabay tayo mag-jogging. Tapos nagkasabay tayo at doon na pala nagsimula yung simpleng kwentuhan natin, dalawa.
So in love. So in love. So in love. So in love. You look so beautiful in this light. Your silhouette over me.
So after a year, I proposed to you and you said yes. Mas lalo akong humanga sa'yo at nagpasalamat sa Lord nung sinabi kong magpapakasal tayo within 5 months. So, pero never ka nagduda or hesitant sa plano ko. And love, thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. Naging mas makulay pero violet nga lang.
Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love. So in
Thank you kasi pinili niyo na magkasama kaya nabuo tayo. Salamat sa lahat ng blessings, lalo sa mga oras na mahihirap na nandiyan na kayo, dalawa. Pag love na love ko kay Inay. Hindi ko man nasabihin. Mahal ko kayong dalawa. Ay. Thank you.
Naalala ko nung first time nga tayo magkausap, I never felt any awkwardness. Parang ang tagal na kitang kilala. The way you love me, your family, my family, and the other people made me realize na pinakinggan ni Lord lahat ng prayers ko. To be with someone who has such a loving and kind heart.
Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love. So in love. So in love. Love, love, love. So in love. You look so wonderful in your dress.
At nung pinagtagpo na kayo at talagang sinabi, di kayo talaga yung nakatadhana sa isa't isa. Nakita niya na kasi talagang handa na rin kayo. Spiritually, emotionally, at yung dahil handa na kayo, He gave each one of you the most beautiful person who is just right for you. God has given you yung dapat na dinidesire ng puso ninyo. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart.
I got so hard to fall so far.
Lagi kitang pipiliin. Mamahalin, hindi lang sa masasayang araw, kundi sa mahihirap na panahon. I will pray for you, support you, honor you, and walk with you through every season of our lives. I am truly blessed to have you and really grateful to have you. And I will spend the rest of my life making sure I always feel loved.
the sky. Amazing.
Ngayon ay kakasal na ako. Mamimiss ko yung bahay. Mamimiss ko na kasama kayo. Yung tawanan sa bahay. Pero ayun naman na andyan pa rin kayo. Hindi kayo nawala. Nadagdagan lang tayo. Ayun, I love you. And andito pa rin ako. Nakasupport sa inyo. I love you, Mama. Love you, Papa.
I touch the sky with lazy things. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life. We laid it down. A word from me, spirits alive. I touch the sky with lazy things. I found me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out and surrender. 'Cause we belong in love again. My soul I'm a
Sobrang dali mong mahalin because you have such a beautiful heart, my love. That's why since you came into my life, you have been a gift I will always treasure. Love, there will be beautiful days and there will also be difficult ones, but I find so much peace knowing that our relationship was built on prayers, grace, and God's faithfulness. I promise na yung magiging tahanan natin will always be filled with love, kindness, patience, and God's presence. I love you always and forever. Love you, love.
Tingin mo ba maninibago ka sa itsura niya?
Oo, tingin ko. Ngayon ko siya makikita nakagawa ng maayos. Maganda.
When it's snowing, when it rains, when the sun burns out